So today I went to my business club meeting here on campus, and I was thinking for a very long time now to get something going, maybe have a talk or a seminar or a Q&A about investing in general. So I asked them a few questions about what they would like to know when they want to start investing. And the responses were good. I got a lot of people saying that they wanted to know more in general about stock investing. So that's where I will lean towards in the future. Um, the first question that I would like to start out with is, how do you get started in stock investing? So in the US, all you need to do are, well, I'll talk about how I started out. And so 5 simple steps. First is you gotta save up enough cash, disposable cash, that you can start investing in. And this money should not be borrowed money, and it should not be money that will affect your lifestyle if you lose it. Second, you gotta find a brokerage account that you can easily do by Googling brokerage account or online brokerage account in US. And you'll find TD Ameritrade, Fidelity. I use Robinhood personally because it's zero commission, which is great, and the layout is simple for me to use for my own purpose. And third, you gotta start getting investment ideas. You can do this by reading up subscriptions, blogs. The Motley Fool is a great place to start if you're new, and then you can kind of build on from there to the Wall Street Journal or Barron's or whatever publications that you feel comfortable and are familiar with. Then the fourth part is you gotta make the trade. You gotta find the right price to buy and the right price to sell at if you ever do want to sell. And that really depends on your strategy, whether you're going with fundamental analysis or technical analysis, which we will talk later in another video. And the last step is to track your performance in relative to the general market. You always want to know how you're doing compared to everyone else, which in investment is the market. So I talk about my performance for last year's investment while I was just starting out, and it was not good. Well, I didn't lose money, but I didn't make as much as the market. And this is important because there are instruments out there that are very diversified. You can buy a S&P 500 mutual fund that generally will give you the same returns as the market will, less a few percentage, a basis points of expenses without all you doing all this work. So if you're gonna put in the time, the work, the effort into it, you want to get a higher return than the market. That's why people generally want to invest. If not, you can just go to any mutual fund company and pick the lowest costing S&P 500 mutual fund, index fund they call it, and just buy that and do nothing for the rest of the year and get similar, if not more, returns than the guy that's doing this every day. So generally, I'm interested in learning investing, the markets, the economy, politics, government. So I get engaged with this on a daily basis, and I know that the cards are stacked against me, but I still try to better understand myself and the performance, and hopefully all this information might help me in the future. But I just want to share with you these 5 steps. Let me just recap the summary. You gotta save up the money, you gotta open the brokerage account, you gotta get investment ideas, then you gotta make the trades. Lastly, you gotta track your performance, make sure that you're doing better, if not the same as the market. So I hope that this little video explains or at least gave an introduction to stock investing to some of you guys that are new and aren't familiar with the topic. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, do feel free to Facebook message me, talk to me. If you see me around campus, I'd be happy to answer some of your questions if I have the time, and if not, probably just email the answers to you. Thanks for watching.